I got one of these for some reason. It's like, I don't know what it is. Hello. Hello, people. I'm probably gonna wear this mask. I don't know. Yeah, it matches my outfit. It's fine. It's not even just about that. It's that I have to wear a mask to work. Why am I just making a pile? It's so stupid. What? To cut the back this way because it's not like a mullet anymore. What? Do I have scissors here? Can I actually cut the back of this wig right now? It's not the time. I cannot. Is everyone fine? There's more people here than usual. That's definitely sure. For sure. It's 2:45 p.m. Wake up from snoring, open DMs. Can of Red Bull by the bed. Vapors charged and Snapchat's red. What's poppin'? Was she concerned earlier? What? What? Wait, what are you talking about? I've been fine the whole day. I literally just did some family stuff and then just joined a VC for like 2 hours. I think, like, why is my light so bright? For like 2 hours or so. What's better? And then I just kind of left. Just to clean. What? Connie never went live. Connie never streamed today. Connie streamed yesterday, but not today. I'm so confused. Connie did not stream today, and I'm 100% sure I would know. Hello. I actually have a microphone, like right now, which is pretty great. Not just my really bad microphone for my AirPods. Because that's broken. I dropped them on the floor and my microphone broke. Hello. Yeah, but Connie never went live today. Like, are you good? Where's my eyeliner? I wanna be the girl that you fall asleep on call. What? I'm so confused. 'Cause you like me, and I think you're a maniac. Oh, she didn't. Connie has not streamed today. Are you guys okay? No, Connie did not stream today. Skip to the good bit. Let's completely block all contact. Connie did not stream today. You guys okay? Let's skip to the good bit. Let's completely block all contact. Connie did not stream today. You guys okay? She didn't. literally getting ready for a movie event, and I would know because I'd be watching it. Connie did not stream. I mean, a little. Not really. I think I've spoken to him once, but it was a couple months ago. Are you guys all okay? You're all acting weird. Connie did not stream. Are you guys okay? Maybe. I don't know. I don't keep track of time that much. The only time I keep track of is since I talked to Felix last, which was literally 2 months ago. Could I wear this tonight? I have to take my hair out of a ponytail, but I could wear it. I have to go to a movie event for work. I'm fine. I feel absolutely fine. Oh, there's petals in this. Oh, come on. I need to brush this out anyway. Trying to get a water bottle. Okay, that's a glass bottle. Okay, do not knock that over. Yeah, I'm fine. Why are there still 12 people in that? I usually only average about 3 or 4. No. I am 99% sure she did not go live today. I would have known. Why are there so many people in this VC? There's never this many people. People are concerned? Why are people concerned? There shouldn't be any reason people are concerned. There's literally nothing wrong. Are you guys, good? Do you guys need help, or? Where's my hairbrush? I literally just had it. I don't know where my hairbrush is. Awesome. I can't brush this wig out until I know. Oh, I'm just stupid. Why are people concerned? Please answer my question. I tried talking to Felix. He never responded. I literally said this yesterday. I'll be down in a couple minutes. I'm finishing cleaning off my desk. Oh, okay. Connie did not stream today. I swear to God, you guys are delusional. I'll get the hair spray out of this wig. Because I'm not going... He didn't respond. I tried texting him over the next couple months, but then he just never responded. We played Minecraft together a few times. She didn't stream today. Are you guys okay? Are you guys on something? She literally did not stream today. She would have told me. No, nothing's weird happening. I hear noises outside sometimes. But, that's really it. I'm trying to style my Connor wig. Bro, what do y'all want from me? No. I fell on a rock today, but I didn't hit my head. I hit my foot. It's just like people. Sorry, I thought I heard someone walk up the stairs. I'll be down.